Ah, no, this guy has a minigun. That's not fair. That's not fair at all. Right where I'm at. Just farm this bitch out. Alright, and all the loot is gonna fall on us. What? Oh, I need a shotgun, bro. You picked up 2 shotguns. I got a scar though. I don't care. Give me a shotgun. How do you not have a full inventory? Give me a shotgun. Give me a shotgun. Oh my god, look how far we gotta go. We literally gotta go so far. Oh my god. I don't know. Damn it, I'm gonna just go to the house. Yeah, of course we're not gonna go to the shark. Yeah, I heard you. Oh, C4. Big bets. Alright, honestly, we should just like leave now. Yeah, I just didn't care of waiting for you. Oh, crown chest. I got a crown chest, bro. What? Oh, I lag really hard in boats. I'm not gonna use it. Don't die. What do you mean? You always die before me. Yeah, because I'll lag like hell. Screw it, yeah. Let me come jump out. Let me get out. I want to let me. There we go. I'm throwing that bot. I swear. Let's screw. Just go to the circle. Get out of that. It's so loud. Get out of that boat. It's so loud. Get out of it. You're gonna give away our location. Why'd you jump in here? Look, there's people over here, and they probably heard us arriving like a mile away. No! No! Those are not people. Get out of the damn boat. I swear to God. Get out! There you go. You don't see anyone. Where? I don't know where you're shooting at. I'm nowhere near you. corner. Where you at? I laid one bullet on him. I got decoys. I got decoys. Bro, look. These are advanced high-tech stuff, alright? Watch closely. Get out of the damn boat. I swear to God, I'm gonna break that damn boat. I swear to God. What? You fucking dumbass. Get me out of this damn boat. Ah! Oh, yeah. It hurts. There, decoy. Why are you pickaxing my shit? Oh my God. Only my decoys. Wait, what? Wait, are there people on us? Oh, right next to me. I didn't even realize he was there until he shot me. Oh, I should have picked up that med kit. Where? Oh my God. Aim! Oh my God. Yeah. No. Oh, someone took the drop. Yeah. Kill one. Oh, he launched. Oh, they launched. Yeah, I killed one, and the other one dipped. Here, let's use the launch pad. I need to get the hell out of here. I got 30 HP in a dream, bro. Oh, did you pick up a med kit or anything? Oh, I need it. Oh my God, get it. Oh my God, you get edits, you dumb fuck. I hate playing with you. Here's a box. Because I want to use it. It's a box. And I can hide. Wait! You can be inside of it! I'm not kidding, bro. Wait. Hey, Rodolfo. Don't give away our fucking position. I look so clean, bro. Put it on. Bro, I need an AR. I need bullets. Hey, you got bullet? It's just so funny. Yeah, I'm just like surprised, bro. What's up? Bro, hey, you got bullet? You got bullet? Oh, is that the new gun? Yeah, that's the new gun. I sound so... Hey, you got bullet? Hey, you got bullet? Hey, ship me. It says ship me on. Yes, grab it. We're gonna. Here. Grab. I need to get out of this. Get me out of here. Oh, there's a hell of a lot of loot down there. Is that a rocket launcher? Ah! From where? I got shot at from somewhere. I don't know where they are. Ah! He's right in front of me. I just realized that. Ah, I can't build. Ow! From where? Bro, I'm gonna die. Bro, I'm gonna die. You scared the shit out of me, bro. I just got lasered for all my health. Give me that. No, that. Thank you. Oh! I'm dead! Yes, I am! I didn't realize it was a 5-tick. No! Carry me out of the storm! Oh my god. I'm dead. I'm officially dead. Hey, good luck. I hope you know your one shot. Put a box on. Put a damn box on! Throw it at yourself. Oh my god. Alright, just hide. You got no heals and you have 8 kills. Oh, I didn't even realize we were the last two, to be honest.